Hi, in this CAS4 video guide, I'm going to show you how to do an audit using the CAS4 web interface. Okay, first go to the web interface at cas4.cogentauditsystems.com.au. Then to log in, enter your email and password, and then click the login button. Once you're logged in, click on the Audit tab in the navigation bar. That will take you to the Select Location screen. You'll see a drop-down box for the top level location. For the demo hospital, this is the building level. Click on the box, select the location you are auditing in, and the next level select box will load. Continue selecting until you've reached the bottom level location. For the demo hospital, this is the room level. Two buttons will show, a green environmental audit button and a purple marked for UV button. In this video, we'll be doing an environmental audit. There will be a guide for UV audits in a separate video. Click the button for the action you want to take. We'll click the environmental audit button. Okay, this is the audit screen. You can see the type of audit. The name of the selected location is at the top. You can also see the items to be scored for the audit. For each item, you can view its description by hovering over the blue Info button. To score the item, click the relevant button, Pass, Fail, or Not Applicable. You can add comments in the comment text boxes. Click the Comments button to show or hide these. Okay, score all of the items for the location. For an environmental audit, failed items require a why and a where comment. If you are entering an audit that was done on paper, you can adjust the date time in the audit date time box. This currently defaults to the current date time. Click the Save Audit button when you're done. If you missed an item, you'll get an error message. Score the missed item and then click the Save Audit button again. Once you've scored all the items and click the Save Audit button, you'll be sent back to the Select Location screen with a successfully saved audit message. Thanks for watching this guide video. We hope you found it helpful. If you've got any questions, feel free to get in touch.